Do you like to make $1,000 per day from brand new site that I'm about to reveal in this video? Just stay with my video till the end and you will be amazed how easy and how good it is to earn $1,000. Is very easy every month or every day. Money depends on your effort, how active you are in this method, but just follow this free. I'm going to show you do not need to invest any money, you do not need to any technical skills, you just follow this simple step-by-step instructions and you're good to go to this method to earn $1,000. So let's jump back to into actions. But the site that I want to reveal, this website is called unbounce.com. Yes, this is unbounce.com. This is the site that is really good to build some marketing platforms like landing pages and websites for your business or for your opportunities, for your offers. And this is what it's all about. It's a builder site. This is, you can make building websites. If you want websites, you can make it here. If you want landing page to capture leads, valuable marketing leads, you can do that as well in this website. This is the site that is really professional, and professionals all around the world who use these websites when very happy with their service and very good, satisfied. But how we're going to make money with these websites? We are not going to build a website or even a landing page, and though it's free, but some options are not free. There is a paid subscriptions as well. So how we are going to make money? We are going to make money using their partner programs. Yes, if you just scroll down below, right below, you can see that in the company sections here, you can see the partner program. If you click on it, it will show something like this. You can see that you can earn 20% recurring revenue for every referral you bring to this platform. So this is, isn't this awesome? So this is a really 20% recurring revenue every customers you get to this platform. So this is awesome. Recurring means no matter what, the customer stays on these platforms, renews their subscriptions every month or every year, you get paid for your one-time work. So just bring one referral and forget it, set and forget. The customer stays on these platforms, you are making money every month and every years. Pure passive earning money online opportunity. So how about just give it a try, and I'm sure you will be amazed with the results. This is a really good site to sell. They have an opportunity. You can see that they have a 14 days trial period. So there is a no way that people not going to love it. This is a professional service and they can try it for 2 weeks. If they're not getting any results, they will going to give that money back to that user. So why not try this? So this is a statement like this, that every user who uses this platform will love to use this service because providing value to their customers, and the customers will definitely will love to use this service for longer period of time rather than asking for a refund. You just click on it, sign up button here, and you can see that this is simple form will show up. You just fill in your details and your website URLs. You can have anything, like you just create a Facebook profile here or an YouTube account, YouTube video channel. You can provide those links and you can just simply answer these questions. These are very simple to follow. Just click on next and you are good to go to be an affiliate to this websites, which is unbounce.com. So if you just go over to their pricing sections, their pricing starts from 90 USD per month up to 225 USD per month. So it's around like $18 to $45 per month you are going to get for every referral you bring to this customer using your affiliate link. So this is a really good way to earn money. If you just think like that, if you bring 10 or 20 customers at a time or every month, that 20 customers can bring you more than thousands dollar. And then you just set and forget, and in the and the longer period of time those customers is going to stay these websites, it's like lifetime. You are going to get paid monthly or for that amount, and it become pure passive income for your one time marketing work. So this is it, guys. This is the first phase. You just get on the affiliate sections and get that affiliate link. So the next phase is how you're going to get traffic. So you are going to get traffic for free from Quora.com. Yes, this is the oldest and the 100% solid way, free way to make money by getting traffics to your links. So this is it, guys. You just go over to Quora and you just sign up with your Gmail account and anything, any social account you have, or you're using your email. Just search for like how to create a landing page and similar search, like there's similar keywords like this, and you can see lots of questions around this, creating landing page, creating websites, and taking and leads by capture pages. You can search for anything like that and answer as many questions as possible. You have questions, answer all these questions, and you are good to go with this. But definitely you are not, I'm not recommending, you cannot post your affiliate links right away. So you just answer it by using available informations. You can search it on Google and get some paragraphs here and there and rewrite it and submit it as an answer, and at the bottom part of that answer you submit your affiliate link, but not the way people do. It just get in their account banned. So all it takes is just simply create an YouTube account, or you just simply create a Google Docs page, and paste that affiliate link there, and explaining that click here if you want to start your landing page building much faster, much quicker, and very professional way that will be attractive, and people will get much more traffic. Then you just click on that link, and this link will be redirect to your unbound affiliate link. So this way you can post that link. You just post that Google Docs link, share it on Quora.com at the bottom part of your answers, and you are good to go to, you're safe and you're good to go to make money with this method. So the same process applies to other answer sites like answers.com. You can go on there and search it similar, like how to create a landing page, and you just answer all these questions with the similar method we did on Quora.com, and you are good to go with this. And also do not forget the greatest social media platform, which is Facebook. You just go over there, search for landing page designs, and go to those groups and join as many groups as possible, and you just promote, you just post valuable contents with that Google Docs links on that, where Facebook won't mind, and people will go over to that page and they will see that you will offering your affiliate link there. And this is a safe way to promote your affiliate link without any hassles, and you will make thousands of dollars every day. Just be active and money will follow you. So till then, if you are liking this method, just hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you always stay with my channels every day, stay with my videos every day. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.